A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all into this session of English. In that, we are focusing on grammar, and in grammar, today we will be concentrating on nouns. Right? Now, this is an exercise, children. Think the letters of these words are jumbled up. Can you place them correctly? The pictures will help you. Right? Children, you have to look at these pictures, right, and see beneath them some words or letters are written. See here, children. You can see these letters which are there, like this these are certain letters. They are all jumbled up, right? Now you have to arrange them as per the thing which is there in the picture. Now children, see first one, right? First one is what? Look at the picture here, children. This picture, it is a, yes, we all know it is a C A T, cat, right? Now second one, look at the picture, it's written there also. See children here, what it is? It is a J A M, jam. And in the third picture, yes, we all love to ride it. It's a, we all love to sit in it. It's a car, right? It's a car, car. Like this we have to do the next three also. We have to write here, right? See, we will be writing here CAT, cat. Then second one was JAM, jam. And then we had CAR, car. Right? Now see, beneath them, look at the picture at number 4. It is a doll, DOLL, doll. The fifth picture is of a boy, BOY, boy. The sixth is of a, see where you all play, it's a park, PARK, park. Right? Now, the words written are the names of what you see in the picture. They are called naming words or nouns. Naming words are the name of people, animal, things, and places like man, dog, toy, and market. Right? These are the naming words. They are all nouns. Right? So, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Right, children? ये नाम होता है किसी का भी. ठीक है? Okay. Now, let's move ahead. Now, it is Arya's birthday. Name the pictures. Color the things she will need for the party. See here. Will she need for the party? Do you think it's a, what it is? It's a tree. Now, who puts a tree in a birthday party? Nobody. Right? But it is a tree. What is the spelling of tree? It is TREE, tree. The second one, it is a CAT, cat. Now, the third one, what it is? Yes, children, you all know it is a bird. BIRD, bird. Right? Okay, now we come to the fourth one. Yes, what it is? You have seen it in your birthdays. It's a balloon. And balloons we use in our birthdays, right? It is a balloon, BALLOON, balloon. Fifth one is a, yes, children, it's a cake, CAKE, cake. Right? Now, see these two things you use for your birthdays. right? So you will have to color them. You have to color these two pictures. And what is the last one? Yes, it is a saucer. It is a saucer. 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 Now, oh no, Arya's guest list had got mixed up with food list, right? Now you have to write. Please find the names of our friends and write them in a new list. Now all the friends' name you have to write here. Now see, Ajay. Can Ajay be the name of any eatable? No. Children, I give you one hint. In this list, what the names of her friends are all beginning with capital letters, right? The names of the friends are all beginning with capital letters. So write down all those names which are in capital letters here, right? Just see the first one. It is AJAY. Then the second one, RIA. Third one, MAHI, Mahi, and so on, right? This is what you have to do here. Okay, right? Now see, up till now, just a quick recap of what all we have done here. We have seen, we have jumbled words were there, we have arranged them. Now we have seen that the words which we have written are the names, right? And naming words are called what? Nouns. Naming words are the names of people, animal, things, and places, right? And then we had gone through these pictures, and in that we have colored the two things which we get for the birthday, which are these two, a balloon, and the fifth is cake, right? You have to color these two also. And then we arranged these lists, and Arya's guest which got mixed out, and I gave mixed up, and I gave you one hint that all the names generally begin with capital letters. So you all wrote down all the names which are with capital letters, right? So I stop here, right? I stop here so that you can cope up with the work, right? And hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did in making it. So until then, until we meet again, it's a goodbye.